Funny thing is, bro, hoes they go for a cuddly nigga. You feel me? Nigga that they can hug, big fat ass nigga like myself. They love me, bro. I swear to God. Man, you always carrying away the bitches.
Shit, bro, you know what's crazy, bro? Niggas be think I be playing and shit when we talking about that real shit, you feel me? Real pandas do real shit. You know what I'm saying? We ain't scared of nothing. Man, except when shit like that start happening, nigga. A nigga play me, he run up on me, it's done. You feel me? Chew a nigga ass up like bamboo. I'm gangster, nigga. Real. Nigga, you just took all my street cred. Why the